Let me share how you can rate photos in a photos library. It is really simple. All you have to do is you have to choose favorites. So the way you can do that is you select a photo and you love heart it. Click here. When you hover over that left bottom corner, you can see the heart popping up. So you simply activate that and it's a favorite. When you then go to your favorites folder here, they show up as well. And as soon as you remove the heart, they will disappear from that folder. This is how you can rate photos very quickly and easily. And if you're using the Apple ecosystem with the iCloud photo, you can also do that on your phone and it will be reflected in your library. Now, obviously, you have only two choices. It's either a favorite or not a favorite. If you want to take that further and use, for example, a star rating system between 1 and 5 stars, 5 being the best, 1 being photos that you might want to delete later, you have to do that using keywords. You can't do it in any other way. So how to exactly add keywords is going to be covered in a different tutorial, but I'll show you very quickly. So if you're on a photo and you would want to add a 3-star rating, you can Command I and add a keyword and you simply write 3-star, and you can see I've already used that in the past, so I can select it, click return, and this keyword is now attached, and that way you can search for them. If you want a more elaborate rating system, you would have to do that using keywords.